In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix features missing on TikTok app. So the first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find TikTok, click on it, and now click on the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Go back, click on the data usage and do the same thing. Everything should be enabled. Go back again and click on the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then you have to do one last thing, which is go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and update it. After you update your TikTok, now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.